So this is the new Ethereum phone, and yes, it will give you free airdrops. And here you can see when you own this phone, you automatically get these airdrops. There have been already 10 plus airdrops that have been shared to the pool, which means that after you buy this phone, you will automatically get a chunk of these airdrops. And why I am bullish is because Solana already did this and they dropped their Solana phone. And if you got it when it dropped, you got airdropped around 3,000, 5,000 worth of airdrops in Memecoins and NFTs. And if the price for Solana phone was around $750, $700, then the Ethereum phone costs only $500. And if you want a 5% discount, you can use my referral code. The referral code is in the description and in the comment section. But in my opinion, the value of this phone will go to at least $5,000 per phone, because as you already know, Bitcoin is going to a new all-time highs. Right now, we are at 72 to 74,000 per Bitcoin, which is really insane. That's why I think this Ethereum dGEN phone will pop off much more than Solana did. And the best part is that this is not a regular phone like Solana did. This is actually a made for crypto transactions. This works as a smart wallet, and I personally bought it at the first day they came out, and there are around 2,000 devices sold as of this video. And here you can see Vitalik is actually following them on Twitter. There are many huge Memecoin accounts following this phone and promoting it on Twitter. That's why I think this will be a really huge device, huge project overall. You can see one of the base network team members, Jesse, is talking about this project. That's why it's really bullish in my opinion, and there are only 2,000 devices sold. This is insane. The crypto airdrop pool is growing every day, and as we are approaching new crypto bull run, I think these prices might go to 10x, 20x, maybe even 100x for many of these meme coins and tokens. And here are more analysis on why I think this phone will make me thousands of dollars in the next 12 months. So here is the dGEN1 phone, the device that you can use for smart wallet, for making transactions. There are many features like laser. Here you can see finance, games. So maybe you will be able to play games with this dGEN1. So there are many utilities that come with this device. Right now you can see that total pool value is 70,000 and each holder gets $35, which may be not that much right now, but looking at the fact that everything most likely will go 10x, 20x, 50x, the dGEN I think will go 10x minimum, and all of these basically coins. You can see Benji is one of the biggest meme coins on base. And if we are looking at the holders, you can see this is basically the NFT that automatically comes to you in your wallet that you are paying with. It will go to your account, and here you can see only 2,044 items have been minted. So this means 2,044 devices have been bought. That's one of the bullish signs, is because you are already owning this NFT as you purchase the phone, because the phone will come in early 2025, maybe January. So this means many projects can send you potentially some tokens. And there are many more bullish facts. For example, Vitalik is following this project, and there are only I think 14,000 people following this project, 15,000, and one of them is Vitalik. This is a really underrated project in my opinion, because when the bull run will come, everything will grow, and people like Vitalik, when Vitalik is talking about something, it is going up significantly, and that's what I think will happen. And how you can buy this phone is really easy. You go on this website, freedomfactory.io, buy dGEN1. It will automatically send you to this page where you can buy it. And if you want to use my referral code to get a 5% discount, you can use it. It's on the screen right now. It's also in the description and in the comment section. So save yourself 5%. You can also just buy it with your card. You don't need crypto. That's why it's really easy to buy it. Another thing, here you can see the Jesse, one of the base, like the Coinbase team members, actually bought this device as well. Jesse has around 150,000 followers. He's building on Base. You can see Brian Armstrong has been retweeting his tweets as well, because Jesse is actually working on Coinbase. I mean, in Coinbase, here you can see he's head of the Base and Coinbase wallet. So he's the head of the Base network, and he bought the dGEN as it came out. That's why another bullish fact. You can see many huge influencers with many followers. Also, all of the biggest Base meme coins have been promoting this project. If you scroll down yourself, you will see people with many followers, big influencers, many big meme coin projects like Benji are talking about this project. And if we are looking at the phone stats of this device, here will be all the stats. Let's scroll down, and here you can see it has the MediaTek Helio G99 CPU. The storage is 8 gigabytes. I think you can add the card with 256 gigabytes as well. It has a 48 megapixel rear camera plus flash, fingerprint sensor, 4G laser pointer, which is fun, LED matrix, USB-C, and one physical plus one eSIM card, and NFC. NFC means that you can basically scan this device that you own and use it for NFTs to unlock special perks if you own NFT on your wallet. This is how you use this NFC chip. Look out for this device. Maybe there is a limited supply. I don't know this. Maybe there are 10,000 or 5,000 devices like in total. That's why I bought it right after it came out. The first 1,000 devices, I bought one of them. Maybe I will buy more because I think the resale price will go up much more. But if you want to buy it, you can buy it on the website. $500. Use my referral code to get 5% discount. The referral code, again, on the screen, in the description, and in the comment section. If you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha like this, press the like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.